The requirement for Telegram monetization is not as much as other social media platforms. Now, when you have at least 1,000 subscribers and your channel must be public, you can actually go ahead to start earning from your Telegram channel. Like you all know, we have YouTube monetization, we have TikTok monetization, and the likes of other social media monetization. The monetization of Telegram is actually quite simple. All you just need is your 1,000 subscribers and your channel must be public. Now, once your channel is public and you hit the 1,000 subscribers, ads will automatically be displayed on your channel. Then from there, you can start up generating some little funds from your channel. Now, to set up a Telegram channel is very simple. Just go ahead to have a Telegram account, then you can see where to click on the plus sign, then create a channel, then keep on giving values on that channel. People will be actually interested to join when you share your link or other means of traffic to your channel. Now, once you just hit your 1,000 subscribers, you can go ahead to start earning with your Telegram, as ads will be displayed automatically on your channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the process of which you can place withdrawal if your channel is already monetized, from your Telegram channel down to your wallet, or any other means you want to use to withdraw your earnings from your Telegram channel. And so if you're coming across this channel for the first time, this is Joakim. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online and also make reviews about some platforms to earn for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now, without no form of delay, let's dive into the business of today. You're going to be seeing your statistic, boost, and monetization. Now, you need to click on the monetization, then scroll down to where you can actually find the monetization funds you have. Now, you can see that I have 10 tones on my account, and the minimum on your Telegram monetization is that when you have 10 tones, you can actually go ahead to withdraw. Now, to withdraw is very simple. Come right here to click on this collect via fragments, because you need to follow this process to collect via fragments. Now, if you have Telegram stars, you're also going to be seeing that right here, and you can as well withdraw your Telegram stars. Now, you cannot withdraw your Telegram stars that are lesser than 1,000 stars. So right here, since we have above 10 tones on our account, we can go ahead to withdraw the funds we have on our Telegram monetization account. So come right here and click on collect fragments right here. So once you click on that, you'll be asked to put in your 2-step verification password to complete this process. Now, this particular password is your Telegram password. So I'm going to go ahead to input my right here and click on proceed. Okay, so once I click on proceed, I'm going to be connecting my wallet to my Telegram wallet. So you can see that right here. So you can see the equivalent right here. So I'm going to come right here and click on connect wallet. So you just proceed to click on connect wallet in Telegram. Okay, so I'm going to be connecting this particular wallet to my wallet on my Telegram. So you can see fragment want to connect to your Tone wallet. So go ahead to click on connect right here, and you need to do some verification with your face or your passcode. So I'm going to continue with this. I'm going to connect this. As you can see, fragment now connected to Tone wallet. So go back to fragment. Okay, so you can come right here and click on collect. Okay, so you can see account required, so click on log in. So you need to log into your account to proceed with this. So you need to input your mobile number you use for your Telegram, and you click on continue. Okay, so once you click on that, you just need to hold on. As you can see right here, we have sent you a message, please confirm via Telegram. So you are going to come over to your Telegram right here. You're going to come over to your Telegram. You will be getting a notification. So this is the notification from Telegram. Joakim will receive a request to log into your fragment with your Telegram account. So you are going to click on confirm. So you can see accepted. Okay, so then go back to this section and you can see accept. So once you've done that, you just need to click on this and verify your account. As you can see right here, it has been verified successfully. So you have successfully logged into fragment. So come right here and you're going to be seeing the consent that you just gave to this particular account. Consent to start verification. By clicking agree and continue, I confirm that I have read the privacy notice and notification to proceed of personal data. So you can see that right here, and you see that you've actually given consent. You just go through all this. So these are also what you need to know. Okay, see notification of processing of personal data. The personal data you provided in connection with the identity verification process will be proceeded by this company, organization with which you intend to establish a business relationship after completing the KYC process. The company process your personal data in line with the policy, blah blah blah. So you just need to go through all this. Then the second one says your name and other means of identification for the purpose of obtaining this notification shall be established in course of processing of your personal data. So we go through all this, then you can look at it and get to understand what all this actually means. Now when you go back to your Telegram account, you're going to be finding that your Tone has been withdrawn. You can actually see that I have the balance of 0 Tone. And also when you come down to this particular Tone transaction, you can actually see that I just withdrew 10.16 Tone for my monetized channel on Telegram. Now when you come right to this, you can see that pending. So once this is actually approved, you're going to be seeing this right here, and you're going to be finding it on your Tone balance on Telegram. So that is how you can actually withdraw from your Telegram monetized channel down to your wallet on Telegram. So after withdrawing your Tone to your Telegram wallet, you can actually use that to do some other things on your Telegram. That is to get a verified badge, or also to boost your channel. Now when you come right here, you're going to see that we have a Telegram Premium, and we also have Premium giveaways. Now for instance, you want to actually go ahead to get the Telegram Premium, that is to get a verification badge and some other features right on your Telegram. Come right here and click on buy premium for user. Now you can actually get this premium for yourself or for a friend. Now you can see collect and choose recipient, or you buy for yourself. So what you're going to be doing if you want to get for yourself is to click on buy for myself. And once you click on buy for myself, your profile is going to be displayed right here. Then the next thing you want to do right now is to select the duration. You can see 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, and the likes of it. So if you want to go for any of it, you just have to select the month, and you're going to be having this premium package for that duration. That is the benefit of using the balance you have on your Tone wallet on your Telegram to do some other things. Now I've not actually withdrawn from my Telegram wallet down to my crypto wallet or my bank. So in my subsequent video, I'm going to be trying that out if it's possible. So we are going to be knowing if you can actually withdraw from your Telegram wallet down to your main bank account or your crypto wallet. So the process of you getting started on Telegram is actually simple. Just try to create an account for yourself and try to boost your channel. Now if you're actually getting above 1,000 subscribers or the likes of it, so once you are able to get 1,000 subscribers on your Telegram channel, ads will be displayed on your Telegram, and you start using that to earn every single day when an ad is being displayed. Now when you are being paid on ads, you can actually go over to your balance or your wallet, and you'll be seeing the accumulated earnings your channel is actually providing for you. Then you can now go ahead to withdraw once you have 10 Tone and above. So that is how you can actually get the benefit of having a monetized channel, and also withdraw your earnings down to your wallet and use that for different purposes on your Telegram. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this particular video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, when you come over to stars right here, you can actually see that these are the two methods you can actually use to proceed in getting some offers for yourself. So right here you can see that this one is actually a new feature right here. Now when you come down to premium, this is where you can also get this. So these are what you can get. Telegram stars, you can buy Telegram stars from this particular option, and you can actually see the gifts you can actually get right here, and also some other features right on this particular platform. So this is actually fragment.com, where you actually have to link your Telegram and also do some other things right on this platform. You can also go ahead to disconnect your account from the fragment, but you actually need to have a fragment account for you to be able to place withdrawal on your Telegram channel or your Telegram account. So that's how you can actually start up with this platform. So if you have any questions regarding everything I said in this video, feel free to drop your comment on this particular video, and I'll be glad to give a response to that. So see you on my next video, and keep winning.